What's going on, everybody? I've made it to Kansas City. That was a long trip, but made it here, and now we're hanging out at RB Factory, and they've got a fun toy for me to drive. And so I thought I'd just start off this video by showing you guys the crazy stuff they've got here. Look at this thing. This was once a 350Z, and it's no longer a 350Z. This is the mad scientist who built it. Look at this thing. Absolutely hilariously insane. All right, we're going for a rip?
Yeah.
You gonna let me drive it?
No.
No? I don't know if I want to go if I don't get to drive it. It's gonna tease me. All right, no seatbelt either, huh?
Not yet.
Sketchy.
We're almost done with it. We gotta finish trimming all this. This is this size is actually built off a D21 pickup.
Yeah. Pretty scary, not gonna lie. Alright, holy shit. Killer. That was awesome. You sure you don't want to let me drive it?
Not yet.
Not yet. It's not ready. It's not ready for me yet. Oh my god. Alright, that was amazing. Alright, let's go check out your shop. Get me out of
I'm
this.
gonna run and grab my hat
death
real
trap.
quick.
Oh, yeah, you lost it on the way, right?
Yeah, on the way back. Brad, thoughts?
That is insane. I want to drive it.
How bad do you want
I
one?
want to drive it. He won't let me drive it. I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah. It's pretty fun though. It's very fun. All right, so this is Victoria, Jelly. You guys know Jason probably.
They don't know me.
They don't know you.
They don't know me.
Everyone's here for Jelly anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
She's the real reason we're all here. She is the superstar. All right, let's go show us the booth, Victoria. Lead us to the booth. So as you might have seen on my Instagram, I posted we're doing a meet and greet here. A bunch of people showed up. We're hanging out, having a good time. Got the booth set up. This is a little prelim. Victoria is thankfully helping me this weekend. Thank you very much. Yeah. So she's gonna be slinging merch while I'm out driving. And we've got the booth set up. Spin to win. You want to come spin this thing?
What are we gonna do?
$5, you get to spin it. Whatever it lands on, you win, man.
I don't know half of this thing.
So we've just got like some stickers. We've got a big T-shirt from Kinda. Flashlight that never dies. Woo!
Where's that for $5?
I know, right? Yeah, get me in that thing.
Ride along, what's that mean?
Ride along. So we'll be drifting this weekend, and you can ride in the drift car. Oh man.
If you're not taking out of my drug money, I'll get.
Yeah, no drug money here. All right, you gonna give her a spin? That's the spirit. Give it a good spin, whatever you fucking land
Yeah,
on.
move that out of the way. I'm gonna get.
I know, right?
Is that tape down?
Yeah, everything's down. You can give it a good rip. Yep. Here we go. What's it gonna be?
That's a sissy rip.
Oh, almost a free ride along.
There you go, man. Gracias. Appreciate it. Hey, likewise, brother. Appreciate you.
So yeah, if you guys aren't here, you're missing out. And Brittany's here too. Look at Brittany.
I brought it.
Look at her vlog setup. Look at this thing. That's hardcore, but I like how compact it is.
My leggings have pockets.
That's sick. That is perfect. You like my new media mod? My new mic?
Very cute. Look at that.
It is? It's right.
It's so adorable.
Isn't it? Oh, look at this thing's got a little baby tripod on it.
Woo! I love how excited you are about all of your
And then
gear.
it closes down.
Look at that.
Right? This is legit. for
That is actually, that's actually
Yeah.
pretty impressive.
For
You're
how-
getting,
how like my style run and gun.
Yeah.
It's perfect. I just did that whole thing and I didn't drop the camera, so that was money. All right. Headed to Kansas City, the RB factory, Adrenaline Factory. Fam is here, Victoria, Jason. We're having a good time. Oh, the most important person, little Jelly Bean. She's not paying attention to me. We got the booth set up. Just wanted to show you guys how awesome this turned out. Spin to Win is ready to go. Kendra made me this beautiful poster that shows off all the different merch. And even cooler than that is she made me these unbelievably sick shoes. Custom Shredder Racing Ultra Boost. I am freaking out. So you guys got a chance to win these. Anyone who buys a t-shirt from my website or from me personally, within the next couple, like 30 days or so, basically right before Drift Week, it's gonna be entered for a chance to win. And you guys could win these and they could be yours. They match the throwback shirts, so they're pretty rad. All right, bud, you ready? Give it a spin. Nice. All right, the big head sticker. That's got my big head on it. You got another sticker, bud?
Yeah. I might be the luckiest person to get stickers.
You are. You're killing it. Here you go, man.
Now you sound like Cody.
Jason, give me one too!
What are you doing, Jelly Bean? What are you doing?
No, look, it's an anime filter. It's super baller.
that's actually kind of neat.
Okay, give you guys a quick tour here of RB Adrenaline Factory. This is a pretty cool shop here in Kansas. Tons of cool cars behind me here. I'll show you a couple of them. Kevin and Brittany's Corvette that they are taking on Drift Week. Getting a new cage in it because Turn 5 effed it up. So yeah, take that, Susie. Pretty nice Z, another nice C, a really nice S13. This is a V8 swapped FC RX-7. This is a crazy build for a rapper here in town. It's Lambo doors, wide body, 2J, 350Z. It's called, they got a name for it. Let me not screw this up. The Clout Cannon or something? What's up? What's up? We're taking a shop tour. How you doing? This is the insane cart that you guys saw me take a ride on earlier. This thing is super, super crazy. It was started life as a 350Z, but now it is just a wild contraption. It's gonna get a windshield from a truck. Hi, how are y'all doing? This is another nice, really like well-built show car. This is an S2000, and they did a really really nice fabrication work up here. You can see how smooth all the finishing joints are and everything. They've got the blow-off valve mounted straight to a firewall plate here. They've got a cross member built down below. No upper cross member, as you can see. Insane headlights. So really a mix of everything in this shop. It's kind of cool to see like all the different kinds of builds. Here's a original Turbo 2 with the rotary still in it. This is a Turbo CRX. This thing is probably hilarious to drive on the street. I bet it's insanely fast. Here's an F body with a V8 in it with a tube front. Don't really know much about those. Here's a Fox body. It's definitely been under the knife with a gigantic turbo. This one's female driven. You can tell by the pink valve cover, but yeah, the owner was talking to me about it earlier. He said he built it for his wife, so good luck driving that thing. I bet it's gonna be 1,000 horsepower. This is his car, which doesn't have a giant turbo, so you can see where his priorities are. And yeah, Jelly's over here chilling. Everyone's having a good time. What's up, what's up? The booth is set up. We've sold a couple t-shirts and we're having a good time.
I had a couple tequila shots.
Yeah, a couple tequila shots, couple of, you know, it's a party. It's a party.
Woohoo! What is that?
All right, let's go do some burnouts. We got another spin to win. $5, here we go. Give it a good spin. Oh, you spun it the wrong way.
Okay.
Look at the arrows.
Restart.
Here's the arrows. Big spin, there you go. What's it gonna be? Oh, the big head sticker. Nice. Yeah.
Ready?
All right, give it a big spin.
Push it that way.
Just like we were practicing earlier.
Ready? Try it.
Oh, the big head. You gotta spin it again. You just won that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there you go. The 3D one. Nice. There you go, bud. You love it? You can stick it on anything you want.
Oh, dang. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, you're looking at that free ride along? You can win that too. If you guys are here this weekend, you can win the free ride along, which would be legit. That's a $50 value, right, Jason?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.